marketing is one of the easiest way to make money online, even if you are a complete beginner. Yes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how affiliate marketing works, how you can get success, how you can sell more products, just the one you are seeing on the screen. These are all my sales. These are my showcase on TikTok. So it is very easy and is the most simplest way for beginner to earn commission for his or herself on the space of social media. Ever wonder how do people actually promote a product without having their own product? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Let me break it down. Affiliate marketing is just you promoting someone else's product. You don't need to buy this thing and store it with your money. Someone already have it. If, for example, I host this product, you promote and you earn. That is what affiliate marketing is just all about. So before I fully explain the practical step of how it works, please, if you just joining my platform, please subscribe to this channel. You are going to get a lot of tips on how to monetize with affiliate marketing, with your TikTok, with your content. Anyhow you want to monetize and earn income on this YouTube channel, you are going to learn it on my channel. That is what I do. Side hustler, I teach beginner a reliable side hustle online. So let's dive in now. So let's explain how affiliate marketing work in 4 steps. Step number 1, join affiliate program, which is TikTok, Amazon, or Digi24. Sign up with your Gmail. Number 2, they will give you a code. You will get a unique code with Amazon. On TikTok, you don't need to get a code. You need 1,000 followers on TikTok to get into affiliate marketing. Then you start promoting. Then you put a product into your showcase and you start promoting. Then number 4 step, you earn commission when anybody buy any product from your showcase that you draw from the platform. So let me break it down how affiliate marketing works in 4 steps. Number 1, join an affiliate program. My best recommendation is TikTok or Amazon, but TikTok is beginner friendly. Then you will get a unique code if you use Amazon to sign up as an affiliate marketer. On TikTok, you will need 1,000 followers to start selling as an affiliate marketer. Then number 3, promote a product. Drop a product from TikTok to your showcase. Then when anybody buy, lastly, you earn commission from the product that anybody buy on your showcase. And if you don't know how to go about it, I have a live video training on this Creator Profit Academy. This academy is video. This displaying on the screen is a video lesson. It teaches you how to set up your TikTok affiliate marketing with ease, no stress, with this live video training on this guide. You can download it. I'm going to drop the links on this video. Then the next, what are the platforms you can use as a beginner to start your affiliate marketing? As I earlier said, TikTok is the best recommendation if you want to actually earn as an affiliate marketer. Then you can use Instagram to promote the links. You can drop your showcase links on Instagram platform. You are going to be drawing traffic from Instagram to TikTok when you start promoting affiliate. Then number 3, YouTube. You can also drop a links on your YouTube video, just the way you watching me. People click from here and they buy from your TikTok showcase. Lastly, Facebook. Facebook also allow you to drop a links on your video. When people buy, you get a commission. That is it. So the section 3 is the best way to start. So what is the best way you can actually start this affiliate marketing? First, you have to pick a niche. What are niche? The things you are passionate about. Number 1 niche is tech. Tech is phone. All these phones. Do you want to start promoting phones? Then number 2, beauty, like makeup, hair, all these ones, you can pick it. Number 3, lifestyle. Do you want to start showcasing lifestyle, kitchen accessory, bedding, how you make your bed with the things you get from affiliate marketing shop? That is it. Lastly, fitness. People that do sport like collagen supplement, all these supplements is another niche again. So these are the most profitable niche if you want to venture into affiliate marketing. So after you pick your niche, beauty, tech, accessory, then you create content to promote it. You can create content to showcase this phone. This phone, the camera is bright. I bought it for myself, so I am linking it on this video. You drop the links of this phone in the video you want to promote about that product that you buy from that showcase. That is how to go about it. So now, what is the strategy you can use in affiliate marketing? Number 1, You will start to create video with strong hooks. Hook your audience. Guys, stop. If you need a phone, if you need affordable phone, lay your hands on this phone. These are hooks you need to hold your audience so they can grab attention and buy from you. Number 2, you have to start posting video 2 to 3 times a day, promoting this product as an affiliate marketing product. You post video, short video to promote this product, talking good about this product. Then number 3, you always add a call to action. Tell people how they can get this phone, why the reason why they should get this phone. The camera is bright, is this, is that. That is it. And most important, don't overthink your content. Just create content, provided you add the links and you explain what the product is all about. You don't overthink affiliate marketing content. Just do the nice content and post it. Sure, people will click your link and you make sales and earn a commission. So lastly, how do you make money? You make money in affiliate marketing when your audience trusts you. That is why you need to build communication with your audience. Always reply to comments in your session. You just add value. Make sure you add value. Show the real result, as I've explained. Show the result of why they should use this phone, why they should buy this phone. That is how you turn view into an income. So that is it. So if you are serious about making money online as an affiliate marketer, thumbs up to this platform, because I'm also going to be dropping short video on this platform where you can learn and scale through success on affiliate marketing. And if you need a practical step guide to set it up, lay your hands on this guide on the screen. This Creator Profit Academy is a live video training that will enable you to learn it yourself and set up your affiliate marketing yourself. See you in the next video.